Hello again, everyone. I'm Daniel, the cross-cultural nerd.
I'm Daniel's wife.
My wife has a silly sense of humor.
No.
Anyway, so we are here at the Blue Temple. And here you got the fountain in the background.
Did
and
you cut me again?
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
And the temple itself. And from what we hear, this temple is over 100 years old and was just remodeled, or I shouldn't say remodeled, refurbished, restored, that's the right word, restored within the last couple of years. So it looks new because, I mean, it was just recently restored. So let's go on and take a look. All right, so this is the exterior of the front gate. Now, this one we will not be able to show you pictures of the inside because pictures are forbidden inside. So we'll just roam around the outside.
No, you can take a picture, but you have to sit down.
Oh,
sit down to take a picture. Take
okay.
off all your sunglasses, hat, and you know.
Okay.
Yeah, you can, but don't touch.
Okay, all right. I am mistaken then. Thank you, dear. Anyway, got a beautiful white Buddha on a blue backdrop here. Those who have been in my Dungeons and Dragons campaign might be reminded of the capital city of my homebrew setting. All this blue was a pretty prominent color in my homebrew settings. Royal family. Anyway, that's beside the point. I'm gonna go around the side here. Get you guys a side angle. Look at that. This is definitely one of the prettier places I've seen in Thailand. Unless, of course, you don't like blue, which I do. We'll go further up in a little bit. I'm gonna get some pictures. Alrighty. As you can see, you have to take off your shoes when going in, which I will do. Hang on, I just want to show off this paint here.
It's pretty.
Yeah. It's not just blue. It's not just blue. It's blue fading into a red and red-violet color.
Purple, green, yeah.
Holding the camera and taking my shoes off at the same time. Okay, and hats off.
With the tiger.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, for sure. Oh, we have to put on sarongs. Okay. Yeah, no shorts allowed. Okay, so apparently they're allowing men to wear shorts, but not women. Oh, wow. And again, this is just recently restored in the last couple of years. Let's get a look at that ceiling. Look at that. I mentioned before Buddha's dedication to their religious art, but holy cow. I'm not going to get too close because I want to save the space near the statue for actual adherents of Buddhism. But wow. Wow. And you got a lot of these adorning the walls as well. Alright, we're gonna head back out and check out some of the stuff outside. Alright, so I saw the inside. We're gonna go around the back now and check out some of the stuff in the back. And this is the one that I mentioned the Thai name of at the end of the Batam video. I believe the Thai name for this is Wat, I'm gonna butcher this, Wat Rong Seua. Again, my apologies to any of my Thai speaking viewers. For my probable butchery of the pronunciation. I don't speak the language. Let's get a close-up on the wall here. Got the decor on the roof. What? Yeah. Sure, yeah. Look at that. Got their own little stupa in the back. Hey, honey. I'll settle the camera over the sign real quick for any of my Thai speaking viewers to read. I'll zoom in a bit. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And one last look here. And we'll head back around. Also got these cool little glass ball looking things. My friends or viewers who are more familiar with Thai Buddhism can help out with their significance. Put a comment about that below if you know their significance. And and we're gonna go and head back to the meeting spot. All right, that was the Blue Temple in Chiang Rai, also known in Thai as Wat Rong Seua, right?
What Rong Seua. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Maybe.
our Thai is terrible, so the only reason I can even do the R rolling thing even slightly is because I studied Spanish, and even then it's not that good. Anyway, definitely a unique landmark here. Come see it. It's beautiful, like way more beautiful in person than this little cell phone camera can ever capture. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook at The Cross Cultural Nerd and on Twitter at XCulturalNerd. I'm Daniel.
I'm Unya.
Have a great day. Next up, it's off to the White Temple, and we'll do one last video there in this little trilogy of Chiang Rai Temple videos. Okay? Have a great one. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Also, we got ice cream.